In this video, we are unboxing my October Simply Gilded Washi Tape subscription order. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. This is my third month getting this washi tape subscription from Simply Gilded, and so far I love it. The washi tapes are so pretty, and I like that the collections are different than like the usual colors. So you get some unique designs in your washi tape collection. And I've been really good over the years about not buying tons of washi, so I have an excuse to get some. This month is called Life is that what it's called? Oh, it's called Home Sweet Home. And look, it comes with this cute card and a collection of Simply Gilded Washi Tape. Now, the ones in this set that I was most excited about seeing is the pink plaid, because I love pink. And I actually really like plaid too. You've probably seen me in some plaid shirts in some videos. I don't know, I just like it. So this pink plaid, I'm super excited about that. Then there are these like warm colors. This one with the little bear, and this one with like a crock pot, and I'm not sure what that is. A mixing bowl, like your kitchen things for home sweet home cooking. That's cute. And then some blue-green colors with gold. There's a floral. I believe these are perforated, which is so great because they already fit. They're perforated lines to fit in the boxes on your planner. Maybe I'll open that and show you in a second. And then a really pretty bluish green floral with gold foil, and then the matching like small skinny washies that match those. Let me grab my planner. I haven't decorated next week, and I think I'm going to do the princess and pumpkins theme, and so it'll actually, I think it'll match this. So we're going to try, I want to try out this, that's a little bit green. Oh well, we're going to try it anyways. All right, I just wanted to show how this perforated washi fits in the boxes. So let me see where the end is and grab, like, there's a Monday. And see how cool that is? You just peel that apart. Let's put Monday up here. Where's my tweezers? So especially if you have like an undated planner, I mean, I guess they probably already say Monday, but look how cool. It fits perfectly and it's already trimmed. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? This gold foil that came with it is also perforated, so we're gonna need some of that. Let's try that out. Okay, look at this. This is the coolest thing ever. Oh my gosh. Isn't it funny how excited we get about things like perforated washi tape? Look how cool, I love it. All right, one more thing I have to try is the pink plaid, because this is like the color I was excited about seeing. I just want to put it right here, and then I'll zoom in so we can see it like super up close. Okay, here is super up close, so you can see both the plaid washi and the perforated Monday. Here it is up super close. The floral washi is really pretty too. As always, descriptions of the products used in this video will be in the description box. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.